Hello everyone. In the previous video, we talked about the target and how we handle the main target and besides the test target. Now let's have a look about how we can do the edit through Tuist. There is a command called Tuist edit, and this command will open the manifest project. And here we can add the code and make sure if there's any errors we faced and the stuff like that. So it only opens the stuff related to the manifest, like the Twist project and the helpers. If we try to do Twist generate to generate the project, we will face, we will check the errors comes here. For example, it's most likely readable. And for example, here it can't find target. And this is because we didn't import the project description. Once we import the project description, this error should pass. Let's try again. Cool. So the first error, which is related to the target itself, it's passed, but there is another error related to deployment targets. And this is because here can't convert value of type into expected argument, a string. So the expected value for deployment targets is a string. It should be like this. Since we found that repeat ourselves, let's add a constant file. So now it will be public. And we can define here the iOS version. Now if we back to target, consume it from constants, and the same will be here as well. Let's give a try to Tuist Generate to generate the project and see if we will face any other issues or error or everything's okay. Well, let's just try. Okay, perfect. Now we have generated the project itself. So far, we don't have any things on the code, but the project is created successfully. Cool. What about if we want to add packages in our projects? The normal way is go to some targets itself as a project and into package dependencies we can add from here whatever the dependencies we need. But now we want to configure it on the manifest to be done while we do the Tuist generate. How we can do this? We will pack to Tuist edit. And in the project description helpers, we can add a new file for dependencies. And we will define the dependencies for the app, and it will be type of package, array of packages. We can add any dependencies we need here. And since we are using package, so we want to import description, project description. After that, we will pack to the target and define our dependencies. Now we can extend our target demo. Let's define the dependencies. And since we will use it only here, we will do it private private var dependencies. This will be type of target dependency. We can switch to self. So far, we only have the demo app. We can add all the packages we wanted here. Since we only import the identifier, so we will do that only for this package. This is array packages. And here we need to add product. So now the target dependencies for the main targets is ready. We need to do or add the dependencies for tests as well. We will do the same since sometimes dependencies in the tests is different than the one on the main target. So this will be the dependencies for test dependencies. Now we can add them in the dependencies where we will consume it here. The same will be for the tests. This will be array here. We will define the target and we already have the name row. Plus the test dependencies. Now to install these dependencies, we can use the command tuist install. And to define dependencies in the project itself, you can use it on the packages and consume the dependencies .app. Now let's try to do Tuist Generate. And now it's trying to fetching the dependencies we added. Cool. If we go to demo app, it's added here. And if we go to the target itself, the target is here now. In this video, we have known how we can edit the manifest and how we can create the project. And final things is how we deal with dependencies and configure it through Tuist. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.